Well, you're not going to believe what I did. I left this on my back seat after I put my rear wheel back on and took it for a test drive, and I lost it. It was on the road where tons of cars go, but look at this thing. It got squished. It's just like completely run over by cars. But I plugged it in, and believe it or not, that mic hole, it still works. So I can use it until after Christmas. I got a Hero 9 Black and a Media Mod on my Christmas list, so I won't be using this anymore with the Hero 7 Black. But look at that. And I lost the mounts to my helmet, so I had to order some new mounts because I got to get it to come around for the cameras right here. So I ordered some new helmet mounts because I didn't have the one that kind of spun up so you can put the GoPro on. So I won't be that should come today actually, so I won't be doing any more videos until I get it. And then in Christmas I'll have the Hero 9 Black with the Media Mod. That should make a big difference.